Guys, Dragon King, just walking through the woods right here. It's very creepy because I don't know what's going to be around here. Could be anybody, so let's keep on walking. There could be a snake around here. I don't give two craps if a snake tries to bite me. They're called king snakes, and they don't have any teeth. They only because they eat other snakes. That's the thing. So I would love to have me one of those as a pet. Let's keep on walking, guys. I'm just looking for something because my dad gave me that, and so just keep on looking. Tell me, comment down below if you guys spotted out. It's scary as crap out here. Walking around in these woods, anybody could be out here. No joke, guys. Some big land. Shit. Scared the crap out of me. Motherfucker. Scared the crap out of me, mate. Shit. We'll be walking for miles. Try to find it. So I've been through this part of the woods. Oh, I might be able to remember where it was. Like what spot it was. Lots of stuff. Yeah, guys. We have lots of woods around here. Boom. Lots of stuff. Jump it. Because we walked through here a lot. Well, I had my cousin over last time. We played like Dead by Daylight and stuff in the woods. Should have made a video, but I wasn't thinking about the video. So, walk back. Allergies. What is that? You guys see that? What is that? Guys, let's go check it out. Holy crap. Looks beautiful back here, guys. I'm gonna take the easy way. Look at that. That is beautiful. Is that some foam or what? So beautiful around here. Raccoon hole. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna head back. So, let's go. Back to where we came from and start walking back to the house. I wouldn't be surprised if this was a very long video for 1 hour or 2 hours. I'm not really talking as much because I'm trying to get back to the house. I'm watching out for stuff. Well, that's a big raccoon hole right there. Right up here. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. See you later.